Hello, today we will guide you through how to add product on Linktree. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to add a product to your Linktree shop using a linked product option. This is a simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a moment to set up. To begin, go to your Linktree admin dashboard. This is where you manage your links, shop items, and other settings for your Linktree page. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in first so you can access your account controls. Once you're inside the admin area, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Shop. The Shop section is where you can manage products that appear on your Linktree, making it easier for visitors to browse and access what you're offering directly from your page. After opening the Shop section, click on Add. This starts the process of creating a new product listing. If you have multiple options available, this is the point where you choose the kind of product you want to add. Next, select Linked Product. This option is useful when your product already exists on another website or storefront and you want to direct people there through Linktree. Instead of creating a product from scratch inside the platform, you're simply connecting an existing product link. Now paste your product URL into the provided field. Make sure you use the correct product link so visitors are taken to the right page. It's a good idea to double check that the link is complete and working before moving on. That way you can avoid sending people to a broken page or the wrong item. Once you've added the product URL, click on Add Product. This will save the linked product to your Linktree shop and make it available as part of your setup. And that's it. Your product has now been added through Linktree using a linked product URL. If needed, you can always return to the shop section later to review the listing, make updates, or add more products the same way. As a final tip, take a quick look at your Linktree page after saving to confirm everything appears the way you want. Verifying the product link and presentation can help create a smoother experience for your visitors. Thanks for following along. This is how to add a product on Linktree.